Hey guys, Jignesh Jain here, and as you can see we have Note 20 Ultra 5G Indian variant in the house. Yes, I have bought this and it has not been provided by Samsung or any other provider for the review purpose. I have actually bought it, and as you all know, I had upgraded it from Note 10 Plus to the Note Ultra 5G. The reason behind this was that the warranty of my Note 10 Plus was about to expire and I have got upgraded in a good amount. Basically a very less amount has been paid towards this for the upgrade. We had great offers in the pre-booking, so I have pre-booked it and I've got this. Now if you guys are still confused you should go for it or not, I would say if you have the options of upgrading and the money is not a problem for you, you should definitely upgrade. But remember the thing that don't buy this just for the need of 5G or 120Hz display. Everything else is same. You basically upgrade it because of the warranty purposes. You all know that the display of Samsung phones are known to have burn-in issues and or many other issues in the displays. So basically if you go for replacement, you will have to pay 18,000 to 20,000 for the display itself for the older phone. So better go for the newer phone if you can pay that amount and have a peace of mind. So yes, that's it for the upgrade purpose. Now if you want to know, let's do the unboxing of this phone. So let's go ahead. I have already cut the tape for this, and as you can see, the first thing we'll see is what is in the SIM ejector tool box. So let's do it. So that's a shame the Samsung cover is not been included in this, so you'll have to buy another cover for this. I'll say go for the Spigen or any other tough armor case if you like. Box aside, and we have the phone itself. Look at this beauty. Yeah, this looks very good from any angle. As you can see, it's a bronze color. We'll have a look at it afterwards. Let's see what else is in the box for us. So you can see we have a charging brick and it's 25 watts charger. So basically 45 watts is not included. The reason behind it is Samsung want to save some bucks. No, basically this phone is this phone Note 20 Ultra support just 25 watts charger, and sadly the Note 10 Plus had an option for 45 watts charging. This has been discontinued in this particular version. Don't know why Samsung is doing this, but this is Samsung. You can't say anything about it. The next item that is included in this must be some ear tips. No ear tips in this, and this is a USB type C to type C cable, and this is just an earphone. So basically this is all you get in the Samsung Note 20 Ultra box. These all are the items. So this is all for this video particularly, guys. I'll be making a review of this soon. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.